The healer might come today. The healer might come and take. The healer might come and take away the pain. He might come and take it all away. The healer might bring the rain. The healer might leave you in a hurricane. Oh, but keep breathing on the pounding waves. It might come and take it all away. Oh, the healer might come today. The healer might. Oh, when you feel like coming, your body break. Come on, keep it steady as the sun. Let the body say we aren't in our final phrase. Oh, I've been waiting here. Chicken scratch prayers come to pass. I have ripped out the last of me. Can't you see? I've been wasting here. I forgot how to breathe. Come hold me, hold me. And I know that we're still gonna die someday. But would you come and take it all